Hello, David Paul here. This is just a quickie on this little house here. This is a place where I'm going to buy some trees for my land on Samal, and I just noticed this. This is what it's like, an office-like thing. It's not a house, but it's just interesting what they did here. The first cuts off when you're cutting up a log of coco lumber. The exterior parts of the coco lumber are very hard. So this is actually useful wood. So what you do is they've cut these. I admire the ingenuity of this. They've cut them to form blocks like this, which they've then used to dress the face. Because really, basically, you know, you could live in a tent in the Philippines. It doesn't matter what the exterior of a building is made out of. And yes, it's not going to last forever, but it'll do the job, and it's easily and cheaply replaceable. So you gotta get an accommodation up quick. Well, there's a solution. You could do that. Just whip it up quick, and then work on the long-term project later on. So my plan is I'm going to be using some coco lumber in this house. So there you go. So just like flag that up in your brains there, guys, if you want to be doing this kind of thing, because you've got to get some shelter. Because if you don't have shelter from the rain and you don't have an intact structure, you're going to get soaked with the rain and you're going to get eaten by the lamok, the mosquitoes. They will eat you alive. So, sige na, makita tayo sa kana, atilago, see you later, Jesus be with you.